check in guys, check in. So alright guys, so today we are out on the HQ here guys, are actually making some breakfast here this morning guys. So yeah, so these are some of the fish that we had caught the last time guys. If you guys can see, you know, I fillet them guys and I soak them into some salt. Yeah, so what me I go do guys, me I go wash off the salt and then I'm gonna actually boil it out a little bit to get rid of some of the salt, and we're gonna cook up this here guys. So just watch and stick and steer and see what we are gonna do guys. Alright, stay tuned. So yes guys, check in back guys, check in back. So as you guys can see the setup guys, yeah man, the old school Jamaican way, you know, put a little bit of the fire ash, rub it on the pot, you know, if you hinder it from black up further than how it is. So yeah man, so if you guys can see, yeah man, the fish them in here, we are scald them off a little bit, you know, and then we're gonna fry them up guys. Stick and stay and see what we are gonna deal with them guys, you know. Yeah man, we are gonna do it with some green plantain. Yeah, we're gonna fry them and press them guys. So that's what we're gonna do today for breakfast on the HQ. So yeah man, so these are the fish them guys. So we fillet some of them, you know. Yeah, and then me actually can it guys. Yeah, can fish. Yeah, that's what we do to it guys. Yeah man, no bone, no skin. Yeah, and then we can it. Yeah man, to preserve it guys, and we can cook up this with some tomato and onion. Yeah man, that's what we're gonna do today guys. So they stick and stay guys, stick and stay. Alright guys, check in back. So we had the green plantain here guys, so we're just gonna put them in here and fry them just for a little bit, not a whole lot, right? And we're gonna take them back out, and then we're gonna actually crush them and put them back to give them the second fry guys. So I will show you the process whenever time I'm ready to crush them guys. But yeah, so this is what we are doing right here guys. Man, so put them in there and get a little bit of blanch, a little bit, you know. We don't want them fry all the way through yet until we actually crush press them guys. Yeah, so that's what we are doing with them right now. Yes, so that is it. See if we can let that fry for a little bit, and then we're gonna do the second batch guys. So stick and stay guys, stick and stay, you know. So check in back guys, check in back. So yes, so after me go ahead and finish, this is the final part of the frying here guys. I press them and then let them get their final fry. So yes, so there you guys have it, you know, and the good all in, you know, fish, you know, breakfast, you know, this morning guys. Yeah man, so whatever we catch, that's what we're gonna eat this morning for breakfast guys. So they stick and stay guys, stick and stay. Me finish fry up these plantain here, you know, and show you how I'm gonna fry up the fish. Alright guys, let's stay tuned guys. Yes guys, check in back. So you see how they're nice and golden brown guys. Yeah, that's the way how we want them guys. So we have the last batch that is frying right now, and I think this is good enough for me and my son. So yeah, so we're gonna fry up the rest of these, and then we're gonna get the fish and the other rest of stuff them fried up guys, and this gonna be our breakfast. So just stay tuned guys, and we'll show you guys you know, when we are going to do the rest of the natural ingredients and stuff to eat with this plantain here guys. Alright, so the stick and stay guys, stick and stay, you know, the stick and stay guys. Check in back guys, check in back. Alright guys, so see it, there you have it right here guys. So these are the natural seasoning that I'm frying up right now guys. We have some tomato and onion and some scotch bonnet pepper, and we have some okra that we're gonna put in there also with the fish. But we're waiting until these get sauteed a little bit more, and then we're gonna actually add in the okra in there guys. Yeah man, so there you guys have it. So just stick and stay guys, stick and stay until when time we put in the rest of the ingredients and I will show you guys what it look like. Alright guys, stick and stay. Yes guys, this is it right here guys. So yes, that's it right here guys. So we break up the fish them guys. Yeah, so I don't really want them mash out too much, but yeah, that's how you make canned fish. That's just like a saltfish, codfish like you guys will buy in the store. So that's what we do with the fish them guys. Some of them at least, you know. So this is it guys. Tell me how it look. Oh my, beautiful. Yeah man, very beautiful guys. So yeah, so we're gonna have this now with the green fried fresh plantain, and then we're gonna have 2 pieces of avocado on the side. Yeah, that's what we're gonna have guys. So they stick and stay guys. Yeah man, they stick and stay until when, you know, we are gonna share out the food and show you guys what it look like, you know. Trust me guys, it tastes good, me I tell you guys. It tastes good. Pepper. Scotch bunny pepper guys, yeah man. It a kick up. But yeah, that's the way we want it guys. Spicy. Yeah man. So we're gonna have this for breakfast guys. And then we're gonna do local fishing. Yeah, I understand. So yeah, so the stick and stay guys, stick and stay, you know. Alright guys, stick and stay. There you have it guys. So you tell me where you think of this guys. See there? Yeah man. So we have the press fry plantain there guys. And we have some fish. Yeah man. This one here that we're eating guys. This one here is the pike. Yeah, the pike we're eating. Yeah. So we can the pike guys. Take a look at this. This is for breakfast. Then we're gonna fill up our stomach and then we're gonna go there and do a little bit of fishing. So the stick and stay guys. I will catch you guys in a bit. Yes guys, check in back guys, check in. So alright guys, so near they are eating breakfast now this morning guys. Yeah, I eating breakfast. So let's take a look on the settings right here guys. See there? Yeah man. So how it tastes now?
Good but spicy.
Spicy? Yeah man, as always man, the good old Scotch bonnet pepper, you know. So yes guys, a piece of the avocado there. Yeah man. Yeah man. I'm gonna try the okra. So yes guys, see you plate there. See what it look like there guys. Yeah man. A breakfast settings that, you know. Yeah man. So we do it guys, so we do it, you know. Yeah man. That is it. Yeah man, good old fresh plantain and some fish, you know. So how you feel if you know say you eat the fish them where you catch? You know, feel good, you know. Hard work had paid off, you know. Alright. So alright guys, make me go and finish off for him breakfast and then I go share what mine now and then give you guys my review. Alright guys. So they stick and stay guys, stick and stay. Yes guys, check in back guys, check in back. So yes, my one and all guys. So yeah. Breakfast settings. Wow. Mama my. This is good guys. It's very really good. I highly recommend you guys can try this canned fish. You know. Yeah man, try it. Trust me guys, they eat just like saltfish. Just like saltfish guys. So this is our breakfast settings. Fry, pressed plantain, avocado, some fish, okra, tomato, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper. This is it guys, this is it. So the stick and stay guys, we're gonna finish up breakfast and pack up from the HQ, and then we're gonna go on the other side of the water over there guys, and then we're gonna go catch some fish over there guys, and then we'll see what we'll show you guys what we'll catch, you know. So we're not just stick and stay up on the water. Hey, beautiful guys, beautiful settings today. I'm actually wanna see if I can jump off in the water and cool off, but I think I'm gonna wait for later on in the afternoon for that, you know, and cool off in the water because it's very hot day guys. So just stick and stay guys, and I'll catch you guys in a bit when I go up on the other side and look for fishing. I'm gonna finish up this guys and I'll catch you in a bit. Alright.